So today we're going to discuss how we can condense our code. We're going to take these 4 lines of code and we're going to condense it down to 1 line of code using what is known as a ternary operator. So what we're seeing here is we want to get the larger of the 2 numbers. We have x and y, x equaling 5, y equaling 10, and we want to assign that larger number into the larger number variable right here. So how can we do that? What we're going to do is we're going to learn about this ternary operator. Let's dive in. So take a look at this. What I've basically done here is I've used some Python syntactic sugar known as the ternary operator so that we are able to condense these 4 lines of code into 1. What it's saying here, if x is greater than y, then assign x right here to the larger number, else assign y, which is exactly what we're doing here. It's just now condensed into 1 line of code. Well, you might be wondering, Harris, can this be done in other languages? Of course it can. Let's take a look at the other C-based languages. Take a look at this. So this works in most other C-based languages. We have C, C++, C#, Java, and JavaScript. And let me just move this data type here. And basically this is the syntax that it would be if you were working in any of these other languages. The only difference that we're seeing here is instead of the if-else statement, we're going to use a question mark. And then we're going to still have our conditional expression right here. So we're basically saying, is x greater than y? Then take the first value, else take the second value. Same thing that we see in Python, it's just structured a little bit differently. So now let's run the code, check it out. Boom, there you go. You can see it's 10. Check out the next video on how you can make nested ternary operators.